Okay guys, welcome to this video. I just wanted to do a quick walkthrough video of Builderall and everything that you're getting for this Black Friday offer. I think this is an insane offer that they're doing, and I just wanted to walk you through just the value you're getting from Builderall, just in case you feel like, what am I paying all this money for? So just to be completely transparent with you, you can see right now that there's a limited offer for the Builderall Funnel Club, which is essentially you get everything that Builderall has to offer. You get it all inside this package. The cost is $87.90 a month. That's a recurring cost, and usually for the Funnel Club you'd have to pay an introductory fee of $199, and they're actually waiving that fee for the Black Friday, for the week of Black Friday, for Cyber Week. So I encourage you to get in on this. This is going to change your business. The tools in here are incredible. There are so many tools in here. Literally, I am dependent on this. The first thing I do when I start my day, when I get into my computer, is I log into Builderall, because this is like my hub of tools for everything I'm doing in my business. So you can see here, essentially Builderall is a platform, a digital suite of tools that you can use for your online business, and it's called Builderall because most of the apps on here are apps for building things. So you've got the Cheetah Builder, which builds beautiful websites, funnels, capture pages, whatever you want. You've got this really nice simple builder here. You've got Cheetah for WordPress, which essentially is kind of Cheetah Builder, so the same thing but inside WordPress. So it's a plugin that you can put into WordPress to use to build websites very quickly and easily, really beautiful websites. You've got e-commerce, so you can actually kind of set up your own e-commerce store. You've got WordPress Pro and WooCommerce. You can actually get WordPress Pro within Builderall, and you can have your own e-commerce site on WordPress within Builderall, and again set that up very quickly using Cheetah. You've got Mailing Boss, which is again a top class autoresponder. You can have unlimited leads in there. You never have to pay additional fees for adding more leads into there, like many of the autoresponders that we know do. Once you're in, you've got unlimited leads. You can email as much as you want to as many people as you want. Of course, you can set up your own professional email addresses, so you can have email addresses attached to your business or to your company name or your domain name. WhatsApp automation tools. So again, they've got tools for WhatsApp, for being able to market on WhatsApp, to be able to send messages out to people that you collect on WhatsApp, and of course Launch Manager, which allows you to then promote the latest things that you're launching. They've got SMS tools for you to market via SMS. They've got the Builderall Marketplace, so you can actually sell your own digital products on here. Super Checkout, which allows you to add a checkout to your website so that you can sell through your own system. They've got a CRM on there. Social Proof. Worky is again a productivity app, which is kind of similar to things like To Do and Trello and those kind of things. You can actually use that to kind of build things with your team, and work together on projects with your team. They've got quiz builders. They've got a help desk app, which allows you to create your own help and support desk. They've got website chatbots. They've got a website chat builder, messenger chatbots, Instagram chatbots. You can do private chats, set up private chats on your websites, etc. Man, there's so much stuff. I could keep going through all the tools. Look at the tools in here. There's a ton of tools in here. You can look at these all at your own leisure. When you click the link below here, you'll see all the tools here. This is literally the page that I'm going to send you to when you click the link below here, so you can see all of this. And for most of these, they've got videos to demonstrate how it works and how it looks. But trust me, this is everything you need for your digital business. And even if you have an offline business, if you've got an offline business, you're going to be want to be promoting online. If you're not promoting online, you're missing out on a massive chunk of change. So, this is beneficial for anybody who's doing any kind of business. If you're using online tools, you need to have Builderall. One of the coolest things that they've just added is this delivery service where you can create your own food delivery app inside Builderall, so you can actually have people ordering directly from you, which is incredible. I'm going to be sharing this with some of my friends who actually do that. But yeah, you can see there's so many cool features and apps on here, and you get all of this for just $87.90 a month. You won't find value like this anywhere else. Trust me, you won't. You'll find yourself cancelling a lot of the other apps that you use, a lot of the other sites that you use for various things, because everything is contained here and it's all top quality. So I just wanted to show you that, just so you've got a sense of what you're getting with this platform. As you can see, 50 plus tools, plus you can see the bonuses that are below this as well. So you're going to get all of those bonuses added to you when you make your purchase today with Builderall. So I hope that helps give you some understanding of what Builderall is and how it works and how it can benefit you in your business. And I look forward to seeing you inside. Also, just to mention, you automatically become an affiliate when you join the Funnel Club, which allows you to then benefit from being able to share Builderall with other people and make money when they join. And that's a monthly recurring income that you'll be making. So just another incentive to join Builderall today. So I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Enjoy the bonuses. Enjoy getting stuck into Builderall. I know you're going to love it. And you can send me a thank you later. All right. Speak to you soon. Blessings.